Hello everyone, it's Aya and welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled to be part of the Altenew Hub today, and our theme is Bonanza. It's background bonanza. I hope I pronounced this word right. So don't forget to check out the video hub list below to see the amazing creations by other Altenew educators. And stick around until the end because I have got a fun project for you. For today's background, I am using the Altenew Floral Whimsy set. This set includes a layering coloring stencil, an outline stamp for adding, details to our stenciling, as well as a die to cut the stencil image. I will be using Altenew dried petals fresh dye inks for coloring, and let's not forget about the handy sticky mat by Waffle Flower, though I must admit pulling that sheet off can still be a bit tricky. Now onto the stenciling process. So the stencil comes with a layering guide featuring two stencils, one for the flowers and the other for the leaves and also flowers. Pay attention because there are 3 spots for the flower centers, which I missed it. Oh, it's okay, we learn from our mistakes. After coloring the flowers, I moved into the second stencil and aligned it in a place with the outline. I started by coloring the flowers from the lightest ink shade till the darkest ink shade for the leaves. Next up, I used the stamp, though mine didn't align perfectly, but that's totally fine, still looks pretty. I used Altenew gold ink and gold embossing powder, for some extra shine. So the idea here is to create a large background with a floral whimsy stencil, then die cut 2 panels to make slimline cards. So I opted for Mama Elephant slimline dies, and I also cut a scallop die cut out of gold glitter cardstock from Tonic for that added sparkle. For the final touch, instead of splatter, I decided to add gemstones. See, good girl. And for the bonus project, I stenciled the flower into a craft cardstock using distress oxide inks. And if you are interested in the process, check out my shorts or my Instagram for mini tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.